Yeah, here we have a Milwaukee electromagnetic base drill. This is a fixed base model. It's 4210-1. It appears to be unused. It's in really good condition, and we have it powered up so we can show you that it does run. Okay, this is a variable speed control on here. We're going to go forward on here with the number 1 setting. As you see, turn that dial there. Turn it back down for you, turn off the drill, and we'll go on reverse. Reverse button. So here's the low RPM. Then we're going to turn it up a little bit more. Back down. Just the E-stop on there. And that's it. And we tested the magnet. Magnet works fine. I'm going to turn that off. It includes the owner's manual, a tie-down chain, the clip for the chain, and a drill chuck. And we thank you for looking.